Hello everyone. My last video for today is going to cover the Gardner multiple choice questionnaire that is in an Excel Word sheet. So let's go to Module 5. And again, I'm going to scroll down. And in the handout section, you see 4 different files. The first file here is a PDF, and when you click open that PDF, this is readable. There's another PDF here, another readable file for you, and then the fourth one is another PDF. You're going to note here that this one is a little bit different. This is an Excel, and this particular one is an interactive file for you. You're going to go ahead and take this multiple intelligent test, and you'll see your final score. So what you'll do is you're going to click on this file, and it's going to open. And I have one saved, so I'm going to go ahead and open up that one and show you how to work within that document. Here is the file. And when you first open this, you're going to have to scroll all the way to the top because it kind of opens like this. And then you're going to scroll all the way to the top so that you can read the directions and then start scoring yourselves based on the statement. So as you see here, a statement of number 1 is you mostly disagree. If you give yourself a number 2, you slightly disagree with that statement. 3 is slightly agree, and 4 is mostly agree. So you can see my scores here. I've left a few undone. As you can tell, there's a number of questions here. So I've left 3 questions non-answered. So let's take a look at 72. If I'm learning how to do something, I like to see drawings and diagrams of how it works. That actually really helps me out. So I'm going to say that I agree, slightly agree. Okay, and then I'm going to move my mouse over. I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to read the next statement. I am happy spending time alone. Surprisingly enough, I really enjoy my alone time just as much as I like hanging out with other people. So I'm going to give myself a 2 here. Hitting enter and then clicking on the next line. My friends always come to me for emotional support and advice, and I have a good number of friends and family members that do so. So I'm going to go ahead and click there. And then I'm going to scroll down, and you will see my totals and where I fare. My highest here is it appears that I am quite active when I'm learning. I enjoy being physical and moving around in my engagement of learning. And you can see my lower scores is in the logical, mathematical. As much as I know that math is very important, it was not my favorite subject, and it's not necessarily the most favorite thing for me to do is work with numbers. So there are my responses. You then can see a visual on how those are mapped. And this will be a resource that you are going to use to assist in some of the responses in both the collaboration room and then in additional questions within the module itself. And if you'd like to, go ahead and save that. And I already have it saved, so I'm going to save it there. And then we're going to replace it, and we should be good to go.